Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your Honor 400 Pro into the lost database on the IMEI.info page. Okay, so let's begin. Now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options on that site using the IMEI number of your Honor, and in that video I'm showing you step by step how to find the IMEI number. Once you have typed it, click on this blue button, check IMEI. As you can see, now we have our Honor 400 Pro. Now we need to simply scroll down into the downside until we find the basic checks, and now find lost device add. Simply click on that. In here, as you can see, the IMEI number has been copied automatically. Also, if you want, you can type the second IMEI and also the serial number. And now let's go into the downside. Now we need to type the city where we lost our device. And now we need to type our email. It will be necessary later. Now the phone number of ours, remember to type it with the country code. Below you can enter the price of the recovery reward in US dollars. So let's say if someone will find it, we'll pay him $80. Now the country where you lost it. Okay, and now the description. So now we need to describe our item or the circumstances of the loss. So now I'm gonna type the example of the description, and I'll show you how it should work and look like. Okay, so that's an example of the description, how it can look like. Of course, remember that in real life, if you lose your phone, you should write as much precise description as it's possible. That's just an example. And now below type your contact name, and below the incident date, and remember to enter the date in this format. So first type the year, then the month, and lastly the day. So first year, then the month and the day. Now agree to those conditions right in here and click on report lost/stolen IMEI. Okay, now we need to verify our request. Simply open up your mail, now I need to log in. Okay, now as you can see, we have the message from the IMEI.info. Now we need to wait until it loads. And I don't know why it has lagged, so let's try once more. Okay, and now simply click on this button, verify your request. Okay, your report has been verified, and now our device has been successfully added into the lost database. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.